Hello, welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Eric Conashiro. Today I'm going to show you the 2019-25 MKS. This is an all-new floor plan for the Coachmen Chaparral. We're going to start off on this side here real quick. We'll start off here today. Right here we have all your hookups with your outside shower, full pass-through storage. This does come with an auto leveling system. It's located in here. So you just push a button, it'll level itself out itself. Now the one thing that's nice about it, when it's time to go, you just hit the hitch button, which is located right in there on the inside, and that'll bring it right back to your hitch height when you first dropped off your fifth wheel. So you can just go ahead and back up your truck and load up and be on your way. We have a molded cap on the front right up here. That's all one piece, and it's called a radius cap. So if you're taking sharper turns, you won't crunch your cab on there because it's molded that way. Now on this is an all-new floor plan for Coachmen. Notice the entryway is in the back here. When you step in, this is wide open. So come on in. As you can see, there is a lot of room in here. This is very, very wide open. You got a nice pantry area here. So you got lots of storage in your pantry for all your food and everything. Got a nice big refrigerator, 8 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer. So that'll give you plenty of room. Now the nice thing about this is the kitchen is out of the way. It's back here in the corner, so if people are out in the living room, whoever's in the kitchen, nobody's getting in each other's way. This also comes equipped with tables and chairs rather than a booth, which is a lot more comfortable sometimes. Now the walkway is kind of neat because it's on the left-hand side of your fifth wheel rather than the right side, which most of them have. So it's a nice big entryway through here. You have a nice big rounded shower, lots of room in here. This will give you a good dressing room area for once you get out of the shower. You can dry off, do your thing in there and get dressed. Plenty of room. Coming into the bedroom area here, you got a nice queen size bed. You do have a slide out on your left-hand side, which is your closet. So again, this will have lots of storage, lots of space, lots of room for everything. So if you're planning on taking a trip, want some room, want some space, want some storage, this is the fifth wheel for you. Now we're going to come back through here real quick. Right here up front, you notice you got a big TV, 42-inch screen TV with a nice fireplace. Now this is all electric and everything. This works like a little baseboard heater and has enough to heat this whole living room area right here without having to turn on your furnace. Up front, again, this is the 2019 Chaparral 25 MKS. If you have any further questions, please call me. My name is Eric Conashiro at 541-912-4396. Thank you.